Happy 7th birthday, Jairus. Hindi kaya maghintay, hindi pasensyoso, sweet, and loyal sa mami.
Loyal, sweet sa'yo. Ulit saka stage niya ng sobrang likot, sobrang daming tanong, curious sa lahat ng bagay, kaya maya't tatanungin ka sa madaldal.
Let's breathe it together, right here, you and me.
Siguro yung talino. Magaling sa math yung bata Sura hindi Malayo Kay mami sure Siguro nung pagmamalaki ko, napakalambing ng bata. Manang-mana sa mami kasi wala ako nun Kaya nabibilib ako na napakalambing, napaka-sweet. Sa mami niya, sa akin, sa mga kapatid niya. Sa aso namin, even kahit sa teacher niya napakalambing ng bata. You're doing great and it's a brand new day. You turn up your little light in the world. Oh, we're almost there. Can you feel it in the air? You're a fighter, a fighter.
Happy birthday, Jairus. Sana ay lumaki kang mabait at may takot sa Diyos. Sana magsumikap ka sa pag-aaral para makapagtapos.
Happy birthday, Jairus. Sana wag kang magdadal. I love you.
We're living our better days, moving to a high phase, running through the tide with you. Ride the wave of Tokyo, we don't have to let it go. Hanging from that silver moon, reaching for the stars, hit the streets and the boulevards. We're turning up right now. It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling yeah, we do it right.
Happy birthday na stay sweet and loyal sa mami. And sana habaan pang pasensya mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Jairus. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong birthday na to. Pagtanda mo, sana makita mo tong video na to. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo. Sana lumaki ka maka-Diyos, madasalin. At mahalin mo yung galangin mo yung mga kapatid. Happy birthday, Jairus. I love you.
It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time.